Welcome back, art class. By now, you've probably drawn out your whole idea. Now what I want you to do is I want you to look at how boring it is at the moment. I mean, it's probably pretty cool, but it also is probably pretty blank. There's no color and there's no pattern. So as a reference, pattern repeats. And I'm going to have the sub show you a video on pattern. Unless I'm back, in which case I will, so that you can kind of get that idea. But basically, pattern repeats. So I want you to go through and I want you to add patterns. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stripes here, I want 5 stripes in this one, or 5 stripes in this one and skipping that one, depending on how I decide to do my design. So if we look at my example, I've added stripes here, stripes here, stripes here. These didn't count as layers. These are part of the design. I added dots here. I added lines in here. So I just want you to think about adding patterns. Right here they've added the little triangles, they've added the lines. Add patterns to at least 3 or 4 of your layers. And I really want you to think about those patterns because like I said, if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stripes here, I should do 5 stripes here. If you just randomly stripe it, when you color it, they're not going to be 3 red, 3 red, 3 red like you'd want it. So you want to make sure to count that. When you're done with that, you can get some colored pencils. What I want you to do first is outline your whole piece with either a black colored pencil or a gray or black marker, and those will be available. Outline it real nice. See how this has been outlined? If you have a lot of little details, you might want to use a colored pencil instead. You could use a brown colored pencil too if you don't want to use black. And then you're going to color it. And one thing you're going to notice about all of these, they are colored dark. I like to say don't let your underwear show. So here's some color. Here's some color. Let's try and find one with underwear showing. I don't think I have one with underwear showing. And what underwear showing I mean is if you look really close, you would see white spots. Like see how I see a white spot right here? That's underwear showing. So you're going to color it really dark and all the way. I do not want to see any of these lightly colored because we want the color to pop. So you're going to be pushing hard and coloring dark. It's going to take a while. Your hand might hurt a little bit. You can take breaks. Just make sure you're letting the sub know that you need a break. And you're going to be coloring. Now, the rules of color are the same as the rules for shapes. You can do every one the same color or every other one the same color. So I could have done blue and yellow, purple and yellow, blue and yellow, purple and yellow if I'd wanted. Happy coloring, guys. Have a wonderful day. And remember, 10 layers, 3 or 4 with patterns, and then darkly colored. No underwear showing. So like right here, you can add mine, you can actually see a little bit of underwear showing. So don't do that. Do it more like that, like the blue, not the yellow. Have a wonderful day.